Want to change email format in Outlook? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Outlook app on your device. Once you have launched it open, click on the file option at the top of your screen. Now, once you get here, click on options. Then you want to select the option of Trust Center. Now select Trust Center settings. Here you will find different options. Select email security. Now, find the option Read as Plain Text. Here you will find Read all standard mail in plain text. Go ahead and check this box. Then check the box that says Read all digitally signed mail in plain text. Once that is done, click on OK. Then click on OK again. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.